Welcome back to the SM Auto Reviews. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the brand new Murceed Banz Motorhome Bus 2025, a model that has been creating a lot of buzz in the motorhome and luxury travel market. This is not just a vehicle, it's essentially a moving luxury home designed to offer comfort, practicality, and performance for long road journeys. If you're looking for a premium motorhome experience, this is definitely one of the vehicles worth considering, so let's explore what it truly brings to the table. Starting from the exterior, the Murceed Banz Motorhome Bus 2025 carries that unmistakable Mercedes-inspired design language, blending sleek aerodynamics with a commanding presence on the road. The front fascia is bold and modern, with sharp LED headlights, a wide chrome-accented grille, and adaptive lighting that ensures maximum visibility during night drives. The large panoramic windshield not only enhances visibility for the driver, but also creates a spacious, airy feel inside. On the sides, you'll notice flush-mounted electric doors, integrated retractable steps, and stylish alloy wheels designed to handle both highways and rougher routes. The body itself is streamlined to reduce drag, improving both performance and fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size. The rear houses sleek LED taillights, a high-mounted camera system for easy reversing, and hidden storage compartments. The exterior also comes with practical add-ons like extendable side awnings, outdoor utility hookups, and optional solar panel integration on the roof for those who prefer an off-grid lifestyle. When you step inside the Murceed Banz Motorhome Bus 2025, the real magic begins. The interior is designed as a 5-star living space on wheels, blending luxury and functionality with a focus on every small detail. Premium leather seating, handcrafted wooden panels, and customizable ambient lighting create a warm yet modern environment. The driver's cockpit is futuristic, featuring a massive digital display with integrated navigation, entertainment, and real-time diagnostics. You also get advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision warning systems, ensuring safer long journeys. Behind the cockpit, the living area is spacious and thoughtfully laid out. It includes a comfortable lounge with reclining seats, a foldable dining table, and a 65-inch smart TV connected to a premium surround sound system. Moving further in, the kitchen space is well equipped with state-of-the-art appliances such as an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, a microwave, and even a compact dishwasher. Storage is cleverly integrated into every corner, from hidden drawers to ceiling-mounted cabinets. The bedroom area features a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, overhead storage, and smart climate control for personalized comfort. The bathroom doesn't compromise either, offering a spacious shower, high-end fixtures, and even a washing machine and dryer option for longer trips. The interior design is highly customizable, with multiple layout options to cater to different family sizes and travel needs. Now let's talk about performance, because a motorhome of this size needs to balance power with efficiency. The Murceed Banz Motorhome Bus 2025 comes equipped with a hybrid diesel-electric engine, providing impressive torque to handle long-distance drives and steep terrains while keeping emissions low. It delivers smooth acceleration, and thanks to advanced suspension systems, the ride feels stable and comfortable even on uneven roads. Noise insulation has been significantly improved, so the cabin remains quiet no matter the speed. The bus also features regenerative braking, which helps extend battery range, and you can switch between hybrid or electric-only mode depending on your journey. Overall, it's a surprisingly easy vehicle to drive considering its size, with responsive steering and excellent maneuverability supported by a 360-degree camera system. As for pricing, The Murceed Banz Motorhome Bus 2025 sits in the premium category. The base model starts around $350,000, while fully loaded variants with all luxury add-ons can easily reach upwards of $500,000 or more, depending on customization. Considering the features, luxury, and performance, this price range places it firmly in the high-end market, targeting travelers who value comfort, innovation, and prestige on the road. So, the Murceed Banz Motorhome Bus 2025 is essentially a masterpiece of engineering and design, blending the freedom of travel with the luxury of home. It's not just a motorhome, but a lifestyle upgrade, perfect for those who want to explore without sacrificing comfort. If you're in the market for a top-tier motorhome in 2025, this is a model you'll definitely want to take a closer look at. Would you like me to also make a shortened outro line with hashtags and keywords for your video description so it ties smoothly with this script?